Hello, what's up, guys? I hope you are fine. So, let's go without time wasting. I have created the lighting text. So, come on for the Adobe Photoshop CC. The new create new page, new customs, other size. I have selected. Click of the color picture. Click of the choose of the color. I have choose royal blue color. Choose a brush tool. Scroll down the for the paint in all page. Select type tool. Select the writing. Select the writing jungle. Download link description text jungle adventure regular. Select this tool. This is my text. This is my name. Let's go for link in the description. Control O. I have new pop-up open. Control O is my document files. It's my text. I have template. In the ready template is my template. Download link in description. Go to download without time wasting. You have clicked the text. You have clicked the text tool two times. Click the two times and scroll down and 3D. Select 3D and click two times and select the type tool. It's all select. It is a finish and text the yep and enter. Select Control S, save and close, and scroll down. Select the 3D folder. Control S, save file and close. Select the 3D2 copy. The layer is copy and paste. Control T is management size. Control T is management size and OK. And then back window and other layer, right, copy and other paste. This is Control Alt, copy and paste. Add an adjustment for your mind. I have this is clear as a simple and your mind is different, and select all layers. Sorry for the background music. And select all layers, left click and merge layer. Click the normal and click the linear dogage add. Okay, and select the 3D layer, Control J, extra layer, and Control T, click of the left click and flip vertical. Other Control T and scroll down. Scroll down is mask tool effect. Come here, mask tool, and click. Copy layer, mask tool, click. Select the result tool and layer 50 opacity. Select the 50 opacity and click razor tool and select the 50 opacity in the razor. Layer 50 opacity, first 100, second 50, and razor 50 opacity, and other, sorry, and click the raise and raise text and the unique look for the text. And short is the raise tool, marks, and other look, unique look of the text. This layer is description link, please download and jaldi. Okay guys, and coloring, control, select all layer, select text layers, control shift A, open camera raw tool, it's loading. And effects, celebration, saturation is above and saturation is above. Okay guys, this text is very unique, and Control Alt S, save the file and JPG and desktop, text, and save the file and maximum high quality, save file and minimize Adobe Photoshop, check of the JPG file. Wait guys, it's loading in the window 10. Window 10 is very slowly, but manage. Guys, it's unique text and HD and unique shadow. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe and bell icon and like. Okay guys, let's go for the next video. Click the bell icon.